Hello there, everyone. Here we are for the final video for NHD paper tips and tricks. Um, this video is going to focus on just a couple of ideas. One is I'm going to show you a really great resource for formatting papers and learning how to write papers. And second, I'm going to tell you how to maybe make your paper a little more advanced. So first thing is if you're watching this video, you've probably already seen this link. But if you click on it, it takes you to what's called the Purdue OWL. Purdue OWL's been around for a long time. Basically, it's the online writing lab, and the page that it takes you to is an MLA formatting and style guide. I'll tell you that this page has all sorts of information, or this site has all sorts of information for writing research papers. This one in particular talks about all the different ways that all the different things you can do to format a paper. So use this as a source if you get stuck anywhere, or of course you can ask me or Mr. Crandall. The other big idea that I want to talk about is subheadings and how to organize your paper in a kind of a cool way. So I'm going to use this same paper that I pointed out in the previous video, in video 3, The Life and Legacy of Andrew Rube Foster. It's good for many reasons. It's a very well-written paper, but it has kind of the next level in it, and that is subheadings. So we may have already talked about when you're organizing a research paper, you can almost think about it as a blown up literary essay, or any essay for that matter. When we wrote the literary essay in class, we talked a lot about that exact same structure could be used in a lot of different settings. And the research paper is one of those settings. It's just instead of 5 paragraphs or 6 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs, you're looking at many more paragraphs. And instead of just a 1 paragraph intro, you might have a multi-paragraph intro. And your first big idea that proves your thesis, or your first category of information, might be multiple paragraphs instead of 1. So it's just that same format blown up. And the way that this person chose to organize their paper is they started with an interesting quote. And this is a primary source quote that is it's kind of like getting your audience's attention. Then they use subheadings, bolded all the way to the left, to kind of introduce categories of information. So this is sort of background information, but it also includes the thesis statement, which is right here. I'll also point out that this particular year, the theme was leadership and legacy. So you're going to see as we go through these headings that the words leadership and legacy pop up in them. That's a great way to prove to your audience, even if they're scanning through your paper and not reading every single word, that yes, you are connecting your topic to the theme. So as I scroll down, you can see every once in a while, after a few paragraphs, you get another subheading. And there's the word leader there for you. So that's kind of the last big idea I have to share with you is think about how you can organize your paper in a way where you have subheadings that kind of guide your reader through. So they're not just having to guess where you're going next and what the information is and how it's proving your thesis, but the subheadings guide that for them. So hopefully these videos have been helpful for you. If you have a need for any other videos or any other how-tos to be added to this page, let me know, because writing a research paper at this level might be new for some of you. Hopefully you enjoyed them. Thanks for watching.